MTN. MTN was established in 1994 in South Africa. The company today is one of the largest telecommunication companies with more than 120 million customers in around 21 countries, in both Africa and the Middle East. MTN came first to Yemen in the year 2000. Today their market share is around 37% in the year 2010. MTN Yemen was established in September 2000 as a local and international sharing company, to later become the community's first choice as a GSM company under the brand name Spacetel Yemen, which was part of the investment group. In February 2001, launching its local mobile service, MTN Yemen has enjoyed a fine reputation for providing world-class GSM, based on a quick network development and continuous improvement of quality and coverage. In July 2006, MTN Group Limited merged with the Investment LLC. This merge has created a pre-eminent mobile operator in the emerging markets of Africa and the Middle East, operating mobile networks in 22 countries, covering a population under license of a combined basis of approximately 488 million people, serving in excess of 40 million subscribers. End of 2006. Through steady organic growth, prudent acquisitions, and robust governance, MTN Yemen is rapidly achieving its vision of becoming the telecommunications leader in emerging markets. It is located in Beirut Tower Hadda, Beirut Street, Sana'a, Yemen. MTN Yemen's focus on promoting the development and best use of human talent. It has just resulted in the group consistently being voted among the top 20 companies to work. They are using 6% of MTN's payroll that is spent of staff training. They have 800 employees in the whole public of Yemen. And here's the hierarchical structure of MTN. Now, let's watch our first meeting with MTN.
In our first meeting, we discussed with Mr. Muhammad Saleh, the Executive Manager of IT Department, the IT Department structures and its job roles that have discussed in this meeting. In this meeting, we have concluded that the IT structure comes in many forms and it's almost impossible to standardize for any company. In fact, because information technology is an ever-expanding field of a business, the tools and processes used for communication and management undergo constant change, forcing the IT department to look for ways to adapt. Also, many departments are fundamentally different in the types of work they do. For example, a department that manages internal information architecture has the different structure that the company has built an IT product or offer an IT services. The types of IT department in MTN and IT job roles. In the department of MTN, in case of any problem, they send it to IT help desk, and they have effective internal communication and external client communication in parameter of business productivity and workforce unity. And whether a company in this IT industry or not, communication is made possible through the proper of implementation, the information technology tools and job rules. Two main executives stand to the main types of IT department structure as mentioned in this section above. CIO, which is short for Chief Information Officer, for managing internal IT process and tools. And the second one, CTO, which is short for Chief Technology Officer, for producing new IT process and products. Depending on the size of the company, types of industry, these two roles may change and are sometimes both handled by only one executive. The IT department provides service for LAN services, internal services, maintenance of the network, testing services, and access control services. The main key responsibility of IT department are responsible for smooth IT operation, general management of IT infrastructure, IT project management. The key contribution for IT department are facility technology requirements, enable various technological developments, accumulated new technology contribute towards the development of IT, contributes with other institutions and the new technology evaluation and testing.
That is how we ended our first meeting with Mr. Muhammad Saleh, the executive IT department manager in this branch.
Company's vision statement is to lead the delivery of a bold new digital world to our customers. Company's mission is to make our customers' lives a whole lot brighter. SWOT analysis. Strengths. Cost advantage, higher research and development, invention, online growth, loyal customer, market share leadership, strong management team, strong brand equity, strong financial position, repetition management, unique services. Opportunities. For opportunities, they have loyal customers, customer demand, have asked sales staff for similar service. Weakness, over leverage financial position, poor supply chain. Threats, competition, economic slowdown, external change such as government, politics, taxes. Price war, production substitution. We also met with Mr. Hani Saleh and we discussed about usability. He also told us that MTN company wants to make the customer service work effectively, want to reduce the cost, and because of the disorder that happened, MTN want to have a strong control power on the network. We are developing this system to give the employees an easy system which needs less training because of the easy process. By working with the IT department, we will make the system more secure. Also, we will listen from the employees the problems they face and try to solve it if it didn't differ with the company rules. The new system will provide better information. We are trying to develop the system with the lowest cost and time. User requirements and needs, high performance, durability, employee satisfaction, no technological errors, daily reports about the development process. Benefits, increased revenue sales, making fewer change in the late design life cycle. Decrease personnel cost through smaller staff. Reduce the risk of network failure. Reduce cost by minimizing the need for documentation. Faster learning and better information. Reduce employee errors that have to be corrected later. Reduce maintenance cost.
Company's values. MTN Yemen is a multinational company operating in a wide range of countries and cultures. MTN has at its core 5 shared values that addresses our business principles, connect, and interaction with all our stakeholders. For the leadership, the foresight, commitment, and quietness through building a future for our people and the customers we serve, and leading the way in connectivity enablement. For the integrity, the solid principles, trust, and togetherness through customer because of our employees, and with trust and belief, they will always succeed. For future focus and happening through creating brighter the future for everyone who is life where we touch, empowering people, communities, countries, and creating possibilities. For the innovation, the simplicity, imagination, insight, and creativity through doing things differently making surprising connections and the unexpected surprises, expectations. For the relationships, they work as teamwork, friendly, personally, and warm through connecting with people on their level, having empathy for their unique stations, and building relationships with our customers, internal and external. Stakeholders, as MTN Yemen has such as widespread presence, it is operational mandate great towards integrating the interest of MTN group of places, business partners, customers, and shareholders into the business operations.
That is how they ended the second meeting with Mr. Hani Salah.
Operational feasibility. MTN has a problem with the current system because when I asked the manager of MTN about the current system, he told me that when more than 20 employees work with the system doesn't work well and slow down, or sometimes it's crash. So the new system will help solve the problem and work more sufficient than the current system. Also, top management supports the idea of the new system because it will work faster and there will not be more cheating from the employees. Because sometimes some of the employees press the holding key while he is not doing anything. The users will like to work with the new system because it will be easier and faster. In addition to that, the proposal for the new system comes from some of the employees. The new system will be like the lifesaver for some of the employees because it will not crash or slow down when many employees work with it. So it will fulfill their needs and meet their requirements. As the manager asked me, then the new system will be more secure than the current one, and it will have many programs and new softwares. Technical feasibility. The company in the current situation doesn't have the necessary hardware and software to implement the new system, but in the near future they will buy everything they will need to implement the new system. MTN employees will have to train to use the new system, so MTN will have to bring some experts from outside Yemen to train the employees. And the software and hardware will be reliable for the current environment.
Schedule visibility. The time to implement the new system reasonable and suitable for IT team, and the IT staff said it will not take more than 6 months to implement the new system. Economic visibility. When I asked the manager about the benefits, if it can be measured in dollar, he told me that it's difficult to tell while they didn't even implement it yet. But as estimated, the benefit will be better than the current one. The new system will decrease their expenses because they are spending a lot of maintenance for the current system, and it will increase their revenues. And they will increase their revenues because the new system will work faster and more efficient, and there will not be cheating from employees and more customer satisfaction. Also, the new system will enhance the company image by providing more services and more customer satisfaction, and this may lead them to be a market leader.
Business operations of MTN Yemen. Operation management defined as management of activities that lead to the creation of goods and services through the transformation of inputs to outputs. MTN operations management mission statement. In general, it is to produce services that consist with the company's mission as the worldwide low-cost services. In specific, to attain the exceptional value that is consistent with our company mission and marketing objectives by close attention to design, procurement, field service opportunities. They provide their clients with unique experts and models that help deliver on their customer value proposition, as well as identify and rationalize operational investments to improve margins and process efficiency and improving capabilities, building in, for example, the procurement or business support function. We also help clients in improving an innovation process and reducing overall operating expense. Teams working with telecom clients build capabilities in client organizations to achieve sustained and substantial business impact. One of the operation process is when the client wants to have internet connection. First, he should go to any customer service branch. Second, stop by security to take a receipt and wait for his turn. Then, when they call his receipt number, he goes to the counter and tell him to connect the internet.
Long-term goals of MTN: profitability, growth, shareholder wealth, reputation, market leadership, technological leadership, survival. The short-term objectives of MTN: efficiency, low costs, utilization of resources, contribution to employee security and wages, contribution to society, taxes paid, participation in charity, providing any product or services.